Mastering IELTS Vocabulary. Essential lists and tips. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most crucial aspects of your IELTS preparation: vocabulary. Having a rich vocabulary is a key to expressing your ideas fluently and confidently in both the written and spoken sections of the IELTS exam. Let's dive in and explore some fantastic resources and tips to enhance your vocabulary arsenal. IELTS tests your proficiency in the English language, and a good vocabulary is the foundation of language proficiency. When you have a range of words at your disposal: 1. You can express ideas more clearly. 2. Your answers in speaking and writing become more versatile and sophisticated. 3. It significantly boosts your scores in reading and listening, as comprehension improves. Now, you might wonder where to start. Here are some basic lists you should begin with. 1. Common topics. Familiarize yourself with words related to common IELTS themes such as environment, technology, health, and education. 2. Collocations. These are words that commonly go together. For instance, commit a crime, or achieve a goal. 3. Phrasal verbs. These are verb phrases that have a different meaning than the individual words suggest, like turn up or run into. Just having lists isn't enough. Using them effectively is the key. 1. Practice in context. Always use new vocabulary in sentences. This helps in retaining words. 2. Regular review. Go over your lists at regular intervals. Repetition is the mother of learning. 3. Engage with content. Read articles, listen to podcasts, or watch videos on IELTS themes. It helps in encountering vocabulary in context. Your grammar and vocabulary go hand in hand. Here's how. 1. Use varied sentence structures. Don't stick to simple sentences. Use complex and compound sentences. 2. Tenses. Practice using vocabulary in different tenses. It shows versatility in your language use. 3. Voice. Active and passive voice can be practiced with your vocabulary lists. For example, the company launched the product, active, versus the product was launched by the company, passive. Mastering vocabulary is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember that consistency is key. I hope this video provides you with a strong starting point and boosts your IELTS preparation. Until next time, keep practicing, and best of luck with your IELTS journey.